Get out of tutorial hell as soon as possible, as fast as you can. Please do. Now, this is the reason why I'm saying this. I'll use myself as an example. When I started to learn how to code, basically what I was just doing is going through YouTube, watching different kinds of videos. People like Programming with Mosh, Traverse Media, Simplified Dev, all different kinds of YouTubers, different code, different projects, different clone projects. I was doing projects all over the place, thinking I was doing myself good. But trust me, I was doing myself bad. It was an awful experience. I don't know if you have experienced this, but let me just say it. When you are coding along with these YouTubers, when you are coding along with all these videos, you watch videos upon videos, video upon videos, videos upon videos. When you watch all these videos, there is this mentality that you have that, wow, this is simple. I'm actually getting this. This is actually making sense. But do you know where it gets so bad? When you feel that you have actually learned something, you want to take what you have learned from the video you just watched, then trying to connect the dots together, trying to put all together into doing your own project without watching any video. You end up flopping, like you end up feeling so bad. You end up feeling like a loser. Because do you know why? You will not even end up finishing that project which you started. I will bet you 90% of the time you will not even do the job 90%. Because do you know why? All that you were doing was watching videos upon videos from different people. Now, watching the video now might be you're trying to get a new concept upon concept from different people, without not even trying it out on your own. Trust me, I was in that hole. Let me use the word hole. I was in that hole. I was there. I could remember when I was learning JavaScript, I was watching video from Programming Mosh, video from Schmedtmann, video from this guy, Simplified Dev, video from different people on JavaScript. Also, doing so many projects on JavaScript. It got to a point I felt, man, I've learned this enough. Let me try to do a currency converter, a weather converter, a currency converter, any of this. Trying to do this, I wasn't able to do shit. I wasn't able to do anything. I won't lie to you. I went depressed. I was so depressed. I felt like a loser. I felt like, does that mean that all that I've been learning, nothing has been sticking at all? I was asking myself this question until I stumbled upon one video on YouTube that was teaching about tutorial how watching video upon video, trying to not to do something out of it. That was when I actually realized that no matter anything you have learned, be it a 2 minutes video you watch and you grab something from it, please, I'm begging you, instead of you to make that mistake I did, try to use that little concept which you learn. If it is 2 minutes video, 3 minutes video, try to do something on your own without touching the video, without opening the video. Trust me, it will be the best. You'll be better than somebody who is watching a 1 hour video straight up by coding along without getting anything from there. If it is 3 minutes video you watched, try to practice with that one and try to build on that one, because you'll be better than somebody who watched 3 hours video without getting anything. One of the mistakes I made when I was starting out was, I would see some tutorials that are just 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 5 minutes long. I'll be like, this person has nothing to offer. I'll be like, it's too short. The time span is too short. I want something that is like 4 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, so that the person will go deep. I'll be able to grab something. Trust me, watching the video 4 hours, 3 hours, you will end up noticing that nothing is here. I was just watching video, coding along, feeling that something is actually what is here, but meanwhile, nothing is here. So I want you to take away something from this video. Get out of tutorial hell as soon as possible as you can. In fact, as fast as possible you can. If you are somebody who has been watching videos upon videos, please, I come across this video. Take this from me. I'm telling you out of experience. Get out of tutorial hell. No matter any concepts you have learned, whether you are in HTML, you have learned about div, please go and do a project on div. Try to practice that div without watching the video. Trust me, you will Of course, you have problems, you will encounter difficulties. Bro, the only way to know is to do. The only way to know is to do. Let me repeat it. The only way to know is to do. If you are able to practice as little as it is on your own without any video or any tutorial, trust me, if somebody should wake you up by midnight, you will defend it. You don't have to refer to any material or to any video. You will not have to refer to any of those things. It will stick, and trust me, it will stick and stick there. Fine now. Whether you're on CSS, practice it. Whether you're on JavaScript, practice it. Whether you're on Bootstrap, whether you're on Tailwind, whether you're on React, practice it. Trust me, when I was starting out, I won't lie to you. I was in tutorial hell in JavaScript, tutorial hell in React. It was just a mixture of good I escaped. Because I was trying to build projects on my own so that I can show the people, so I can add to my portfolio website. I was trying to build this project that I had in mind. I've actually pictured the whole thing, how I want it to be. But when it comes to doing it, when it comes to trying to put it to code, I can't do anything. I can't do anything. Really, I can't do anything. That was when I realized that, man, I'm in this tutorial hell. So because I'm actually building myself so that I won't actually be in that same shoe again. I'm advising people now, don't be in that shoe. And don't make that mistake, all right? Just take this from me and practice, code, and do as much as you can. Trust me, the only way to do is to build projects. That is the only way to conquer it all. Build projects as much as you can. Start with the simplest of them all. As little as it is, just do it. Trust me, when you do it, it's your stepping stone to where you want to go. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe to the channel. We are at 300, looking forward to 400. Give this video a thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm so that it will push out to people who are looking for this video as well. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Please, if you have any questions or you want to drop a tip or anything, please comment below and I will respond to you ASAP, as in immediately. Thanks once again. I'll see you on the next one. Peace and bye for now.